Manufacturers make things, incredible things built by incredible people. But manufacturing in today's world is getting tougher. You need a way to attract, manage, engage, and retain your employees effectively. This single platform does it all, bringing the entire employee lifecycle into a single solution, delivered by human capital management experts across the supply chain. Find talent and get new hires up to speed quickly with onboarding checklists and help ensure continued success with training and certification management across your teams. Minimize risk of non-compliance from the time employees clock in and after they leave by complying with laws for breaks, overtime, or union payrolls. Mistakes and accidents happen, but incident tracking makes lighter work of documentation and processes straight through to a resolution. React to supply chain bottlenecks on the fly by seeing who's in, who's out, who's available, and who's approaching overtime. Then make scheduling and shift adjustments to manage employees in the moment and free your leaders up to do what they do best, while putting the future at your employees' fingertips by allowing them to take open shifts, request time off or leave, update benefits, and even check on their performance. Get valuable insights to increase productivity, reduce costs, and gain efficiency while making the same high-quality product your customers have come to expect. Are you ready to manage the end-to-end employee lifecycle by streamlining and improving employee operations like other best-in-class manufacturers? See what the power of a single platform can do for you, and let us take the stress out of human capital management, so you can focus on what matters most to you.